Hey, travel enthusiasts! Ever dreamed of exploring the mesmerizing Yucatán Peninsula without your wallet screaming for mercy? Well, buckle up because I'm about to guide you through Cancún, Playa del Carmen, and Tulum and show you how to do it on the cheap. So, why Yucatán? Imagine this, miles of stunning white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and a rich tapestry of history that's as colorful as the coral reefs beneath those turquoise waves. It's not just a paradise for the eyes, but also a haven for the budget-savvy traveler. First stop, Cancún. Known for its vibrant nightlife and luxurious resorts, Cancún might seem like a splurge, but here's a hot tip: travel during the shoulder seasons, either late spring or early fall. You'll find the same sun-soaked beaches and fewer crowds, which means, yes, you guessed it, better deals on accommodations and activities. Next up, Playa del Carmen. This charming spot is your go-to for a more laid-back vibe. Swap fancy dinners for street food delights like tacos al pastor or freshly caught ceviche. Not only will your taste buds thank you, but your wallet will too. And don't forget to stroll down Quinta Avenida for some budget-friendly shopping. And finally, Tulum. Ah, Tulum, the jewel of Yucatan. Here's where history meets the sea. Explore the ancient Mayan ruins in the morning and bask on the sun-kissed beaches by afternoon. Pro tip: rent a bicycle to move around. It's not only eco-friendly but also incredibly pocket-friendly. But hey, don't just take my word for it. There are countless deals online that can make this trip even more affordable. From discounted tours to budget stays, a little research goes a long way. And yes, always keep an eye out for those off-the-beaten-path experiences. They're often the most memorable and the least expensive. So, are you ready to pack your bags and dive into the Yucatan adventure, all while keeping your bank account in check? Remember, it's all about smart planning, seizing those deals, and embracing the local way of life. And of course, don't forget to have fun. That's what travel is all about, right? See you on the beaches, or maybe the taco stands. Until next time, keep roaming and keep smiling. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.